Benvenuto! Welcome to Detail Garage. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to properly maintain your colored, perforated, and regular leather. Let's get into it. Today in the shop, we have a Q60S, and honestly, it is the perfect candidate for me to teach you how to properly maintain and clean perforated leather seats, colored seats, and regular leather. And a lot of people always ask us, can leather cleaner, leather conditioner be used on colored seats? And that answer is yes. So today I'll be showing you guys on this Q60S how to properly clean them using these products. Before anything, I'm gonna get my tape just so I could give you guys a hard cut line and you guys can see the before and after. Because like I constantly say in my videos is a lot of people get used to how the leather actually looks once it's dirty, and they don't realize that their leather is actually dirty. Especially on a two-seater like this one, I'm pretty sure he has a lot of traffic coming into the passenger seat. This leather has, stains everywhere. There's like little jean stains everywhere. So today I'll be showing you guys how to properly clean it. So on the right side, I will start cleaning it using leather cleaner. So leather cleaner is actually a pH balanced cleaner. What does that mean? If you have a coating on your leather, it will not damage it. All it's gonna do is just pull off any grime that might be sitting on the surface of the leather. Before using it, you wanna use a horsehair detailing brush. Why? Because the bristles on a horsehair detailing brush are actually a lot more softer and they will not scratch your leather whenever you're scrubbing it. A lot of people can directly spray it on here, but you need to keep in mind, I am working with perforated leather seats. I do not want to clog up the pores. I still want my buns to be warm whenever I turn it on. So this is why we're gonna take the easier and safer way to spray it on, which is spraying it onto a brush. Give it a couple sprays onto your brush. Be generous with it because you do not know when the last time your leather was clean on this vehicle. But if you constantly keep cleaning your vehicle, you can give it like 1 to 3 sprays and you'll be perfectly fine. Once it's already on here, I like going to the non-perforated leather seats, just make sure I get everything out. And then I'll move on to the perforated leather seats to scrub it back and forth. And you already start seeing this color, this red just pops because that's how honestly the leather is supposed to be looking. Just massage it back and forth. And if you need any more leather cleaner, feel free to give it a couple more sprays. It will not hurt the leather. I need a couple more, give it some sprays. And I read your comments. You guys said last time, Henry, wear gloves. You're working on interior. So today I made sure to wear gloves to stay protected from anything that might be sitting on the surface of the vehicle. So just scrub it back and forth. I'll put my brush down. And I'll get my microfiber towel just to wipe off any residue. So wipe it off. And a lot of people must have already commented, that leather seat is not dirty. I want to see something dirtier. Check that out. That is all body oils, grime, jean stains that come off from your jeans and onto the leather, which starts to deceive the look. If you are working with black colored leather and your leather is shiny, or any dark colored leather, gray, black, and your leather is shiny like so, that means your leather is completely dirty. Your leather is not supposed to be shiny. It's supposed to be looking matte like so. So now the leather is clean. It's time to protect it. So make sure everything's off. Look, nothing came off. I'll put my towel back up here. So now it's time to move on to leather conditioner. So leather conditioner is a water-based dressing. What does that mean? As soon as you apply it, it's going to be dry to a touch. But it's just not just a water-based dressing. It actually just contains vitamin E and aloe in it. So that is actually going to restore your leather and keep it soft and supple so it won't crack over time and deceive the look of your vehicle. Before using it, shake up the product. You'll open up the spout. You'll go to your microfiber applicator and you will give it a line. So I need to keep in mind that I am working with perforated leather seats, and like I said, I do not want to clog up the pores. So instead of me just blotching it out, putting it everywhere, I'm going to get my hand smeared around the applicator, like so. So I won't have just a big clump in just one area, and I do not oversaturate the area because, like I said, it is perforated leather seats. So now it's completely spread into the product. I could go to that leather and just work it in, just massage it in. So leather conditioner is a great thing to be added to your leather like once every month, because you need to keep in mind how much traffic do you actually get whenever you're driving. Personally, I am always driving around, I am always being around. So this is why I like to condition the leather, just so I can keep in mind, hey, my leather's clean, my leather's conditioned, and it will not crack over time. So massage it in. And just by doing that method, you do not see a clogged pore whatsoever. It is all evenly spread out. As soon as it's already applied, I'll get a microfiber towel just to buff off any residue. And I'll wipe it off. So I'll take off my glove just so I can show you guys that it's not oily whatsoever. It's dry to the touch, it's restored, and it's protected from the harsh elements. So I'll take off my other glove and now I'll give you guys a before and after. You guys can see, that is a crazy before and after. This is how a leather is supposed to be looking. It's conditioned, it's a bright red, just how it's supposed to be. Compared to this one actually looks whitish. And that deceives the look of the leather, which can cause permanent damage over time. I did notice something. He tried cleaning his leather with something right here, and that actually damaged his leather. So we're gonna try to restore it and try to get it back. But I mean, if you use harsh chemicals, it might remove the dye, and that's what you do not want. You want to take the safe route, get your leather clean, get your leather conditioned, and that will be the perfect thing to do. So guys, if you guys like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, turn on post notifications, comment down below, and let us know what type of video you want to see, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Camel Guys Detail Garage.